to try out a new one, which is extracting the juice from mango. So this is my first time doing this. I'm going to be trying it out, and I will see how it will turn out to be, if we are going to get enough juice, because we have just 4 mangoes here. If we are going to get enough juice that we fill at least 1 cup, let's see what we'll get from this sweet mango. And as at the process, I will tell you or give you the benefits of consuming mango. Yeah, we like eating mango. I've not really seen much of people that said, yeah, we like taking mango, we like consuming mango. And this particular one is my favorite. I love this particular one. And in during the process, I'm going to be letting you into the benefits that you can get from consuming mango as a whole. We have many types of mango. Yes, there are a lot of it. So I'm going to be listing out the benefits that you can get, because it's beneficial to our body, the benefits that you can get in consuming mango. Let's go, guys. Many guys, I've already washed and peel. I've already washed, so I just want to take off the back peel. Then I'll extract the juice from it. And this one is not that soft, and I prefer it that way. It's easier for me to peel. So I'll see how it turns out when I've extracted the juice from it. It's juice. Yeah. Yes, guys. So guys, if you are coming across my video for the first time, don't forget to subscribe if you enjoy watching this video. If you learn 1 or 2 from this video, don't forget to subscribe. Like the video by giving it a thumbs up. Share me out if you can. Give me a comment in the comment section. Tell me what you think about what I just did. And if you enjoy watching, also you can go and try it out. Yes, guys. So let's go. We are doing this together. Like I said, I'm just doing it for the first time. I'm going to see how it will turn out. Yes, guys. I don't want to overpeel, because everything about mango is eatable, it's consumable. Yes, guys. Guys, this particular mango is called Carabao mango, and it's well known to the Philippines, another part of the country, like India, China, Pakistan, Brazil, Mexico, even here in Nigeria. Nigerians love it, and you will find out that this particular one is more expensive than other species of mango in Nigeria because of its taste, its aroma, and it contains less of fiber. So it is juicy, it's soft, it has soft flesh, yeah, and with less fiber. That is the reason why this particular mango is so special amongst others. Mango is packed with lots of nutrients, and a lot of them. There are a lot of them. It has 99% of calories, protein 1.4, fat 0.6, fiber 2.6, sugar 22.5 grams, vitamin C, copper, folate, vitamin B6, vitamin A, vitamin E, vitamin K, potassium, a lot of them, magnesium. Yes, mango is rich. It prevents a lot of things. It helps with digestion, a lot of things. It helps prevent diabetes. It's low in calories. And yes, that is mango. Guys, I'm done feeling it. There's one among it that is not properly ripe, so I just have to separate it from this one. What I'm going to do now is to separate the seed from the main food. So as you can see, I'm done peeling. Let me separate the food from the seed. I'm not extracting anything from the seed, so I'll just separate the seed from the food. So that's what I'm going to do now. Guys, I have another species of mango here with me, and I'm going to be adding it to the one I have done already. This one is the first one I showed you, and this is Philippine mango. And this is another species here. I'm going to be adding it because this one was kind of small. I found out that one of them was kind of was not ripe at all, and I think it was not even strong before it was plucked. So I have another species here that I'll be adding, so it will come out a little bit more. So I'll go ahead and peel it and then add it to that one. That one is Philippine mango, and this one is a hardened mango. So I'm going to be explaining the difference of these two to you in the course of this video. Now I just want to peel it and extract the juice, and because of it I will explain the difference between the two, between the Philippine mango and the hardened mango. So guys, I will be right back. Welcome back guys. I just want to go ahead and start peeling, so it will be easy for me to separate the fruit from the seeds. So yes guys, let's continue. So guys, this species is known as a hardened mango, and its flavor is sweet and sour. You discover that when you are taking it, some part of it is sweet, some part of it is sour, with a middle bitter aftertaste. Then it has firm flesh with fruit-like aroma and medium fiber. It has more fiber compared to the Philippine mango, and it is mainly cultivated in Mexico, Peru, and other parts of the country. Guys, I decided to just cut everything out because I found I was peeling it that it was kind of watering in my hand, so I just decided to cut it like that. Then let's see, since we are extracting it, I don't see much difference in it, so I just decided to bring it with the back. So here it is. Here it is guys, you can see. So we are going ahead to start extracting the juice from a mango. Guys, after everything, this is what I arrived at. This is a mango juice, but if you ask me, I would say I'll call it mango smoothie. But if you're a lover of smoothie, you like it because it's very kind of thick. Yeah, it's kind of thick, but it's sweet. It's really sweet. So yeah, this is a mango juice. I hope you enjoyed watching this video guys. So if you enjoy watching it, don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and a comment in the comment section below. Share me if you can guys. So yeah, I love you guys. Thanks for watching. I'll be back soon with another one. Until then, bye bye. Okay, that voice you heard is from my nephew. So we are here together. He's learning, so it was fun doing it. Yeah, while he asked questions and assist in some ways. Yeah. So guys, I'll catch you soon. Chinelo signing out. Bye.